What's up, you guys? It's Courtney. It's so great to see your lovely face. I am so excited to do this video. Why am I excited to do this video? Because it's all about my baby, my pride and joy, Courtney's Choice. So Courtney's Choice is a all-natural lock and curl hair care line that I created for myself, first things first. And now I am able to share this wonderful product line with you all. This has been something that I have been doing for myself and my family, close friends and clients since I was a junior in high school. I used to sell it back home. I used to, give it as gifts, and I never really thought about making it big again. I never really thought about having these products to sell and to make available to the public. However, thanks to my Uncle Alvin and to my wonderful friends and clients who kind of bullied me, I ain't gonna lie, they were bullying me, I am able to bring you all my wonderful Courtney's Choice collection. So Courtney's Choice collection started off as just a 3-piece. Now we have extended to a 5-piece collection with 2 different sizes. So I'm gonna break down to you guys what is comprised of the ingredients and how you can use it, whether you're locked or free natural or you're relaxed. As long as you got a black hair on your body, you can use it. All right, the OGs, the staples. First things first is the Lock and Curl Refreshing Rose Water. The Lock and Curl Refreshing Rose Water is a light spray. It has a great rose and lemongrass fragrance. And I created this to not only work as a moisturizer, not only to work as something to soothe your scalp, but also to kind of refresh your hair. So I have locks. Sometimes my curly ends get dry. I just go in, spray with that. Also, because of its natural scent, it kind of works doubly as a hair perfume. So not only are you able to get that wonderful moisture, you're able to soothe your scalp, you're also able to help assist healthy hair growth and stimulating that blood flow, but you're also able to smell good. And with locks, we don't necessarily wash as frequently as free naturals, so this really does double as a great thing to have on hand, just to give you that pow, just to give you that breath of fresh air throughout the day. Next is my hair and skin Shea Butter frosting. So why do I call it a Shea Butter frosting? Simply because it has the consistency of frosting. It is very light. It can be used for the skin. It's great for beards. It is infused with eucalyptus, peppermint, and also baobab. So this is a great way where you're able to, if you were like me and have really dry scalp, you're able to apply it directly to the scalp. You can use it on your skin, and it is something great to combat any type of itchiness and soreness if you do have seborrheic dermatitis. So that is the second staple. And last but not least, our bestseller, my favorite product, our citrus growth oil. So one thing I love about the citrus growth oil is the smell. When you smell the citrus growth oil, you are going to know they got Courtney's Choice. It's a very distinct, very sweet but not unbearable sweet smell. It has a great refreshing and light consistency, so you're able to really get some good hydration to your scalp. You're able to seal in all the greatness from the rose water that you just applied to your hair and to your scalp. And it's wonderful for, once again, reinstilling a great fragrance throughout the day. When you sweat, when you're outside, you just feel that wind blowing through your hair and you're like, smell pretty good. And I love it because this has been something that I've been using on my hair my whole lock journey. I am officially almost 11 months locked, and all of the black is my new growth since I've started. So I have a pretty considerable amount of new growth, and I really do attest that to my citrus growth oil. So one of the things that I've been really excited about this new launch is that I have 2 new products. And that makes me really excited because these 3 are products that I've been making for years. So it's something that hasn't really been a challenge to me, or something I was really nervous about putting out, because I was like, I've been doing this for a long time. But making 2 new products was something that took a lot of time for me to pray about, took me a lot of time to research and really create the best recipes. And I'm pretty sure I got this down pat. Like, I'm pretty sure y'all are gonna be in love with me after using this. So first, I have my So Fresh and So Clean liquid base shampoo. So I know you're probably thinking, why would I want a liquid base shampoo? This doubles as a lock detox in the bottle. So this shampoo, shake well before using. It has a regular, just click, open dispenser, and you're able to go in directly to the scalp after wetting your hair first. And this product right here, I'm not lying to you, I have seen people who have had buildup packed into their hair, who have said, I really need to do apple cider vinegar rinse. I really need to just sit in a tub of baking soda and water and just get all this out. And with one wash with this shampoo, all of the debris, all the buildup is gone. Not only is this great for locked hair, but it's also great if you are using it on your hair post a protective style. So if anybody has braids, I know we're doing knotless now, so we have less buildup, but if anybody is taking out braids and experiencing, you know, I'm getting a little product buildup and I need to remove it, and I want to also leave my hair feeling moisturized and fresh, this is what you need. Period and goodbye. Actually, not goodbye, because I got some more stuff to go through, but you get what I'm saying. Shout out to my girl Wilkerson, buy her lip gloss. Lastly is another product that people have been really excited about, and that is my I Meant That deep conditioner. So my I Meant That deep conditioner is actually a herbal infused deep conditioner. She's thick, as you can see, she's pretty thick. It's great for, once again, awakening your hair follicles, promoting growth, promoting shine, promoting healthy hair, and removing damage. So with great ingredients such as yucca, avocado oil, castor oil, I'm not gonna give y'all all my ingredients, honey. So other great things that are amazing for your hair. This is awesome, and I recommend that you purchase this also. Last two, they're not necessarily new products, but we do have bigger bottles of oil and of rose water because these are best sellers, and people say that their hair just drinks it up really fast. So I'm really happy to be bringing you all my LOCS products. I love Courtney's Choice. It's the main thing, the only thing I use as a styling and daily moisturizing agent for my hair. You can look at the reviews. They're gonna be all there. They're wonderful because why? It's made with love, it's made with my passion, and it's made for you all to have the best black hair experience ever. So if you are interested in purchasing my line, which I believe you will enjoy and you will love, click the link in my bio, click the link in the description box, check it out. Once you receive your order, if you like it, give us some stops, give us, 5 stars, leave a little review or whatever. But I thank you all for supporting me in all of my endeavors, and I hope that you truly enjoy your Courtney's Choice products.